Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will need to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System and select Reset Options. Tap on the Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know what will be removed. So there's a list of different things. Probably the most important ones will be things like music, photos, and user data, just because those may not be stored on the cloud but locally. If that is the case and you want to preserve them, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. And additionally, it tells you what accounts will be logged out of the device. So let's select Erase All Data. Do that once more. And this will now begin a process which only takes a couple minutes, actually probably less than a couple minutes to finish up. So I would assume maybe a minute or so. At which point, once it's finished, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.